Okay, 90, 100. Sige, for today, kuya, we are going to finish that one, ha? Okay. So this one, parang hindi na siya yata clear. Kuya, can you try to get me at least, kuya? Yan, oh, isa lang, kuya. So that I can erase the writings. Okay. Sige. So, are you excited? Ano nang galing yung kulang natin? 7.
7 and 8.
Sige, try to think daw about sa 7 daw. 7.
7, 14.
After 14, count muna. Can you don't memorize naman?
7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
21.
21.
So, 7, 14, 21. 7, 14, 21. Next, after 21.
28.
Very good. 7, 14, 21, 28. 7, 14, 21, 28. After 28.
28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 35.
So ano na? 5 na. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Sige, repeat mo daw, kuya.
7, 14, 28.
21.
7, 14, 21, 28, 30.
5. Repeat pa. Isa pa para hindi mo kalimutan.
7, 14, 21, 28,
35. That's for the first 5. After 35, what's next?
31, 3 quarter.
Go, 3 quarter. Sige. What's next sa 35?
35, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42.
So, di ba ang 42 pang 6 na? Again, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Thank you. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. What's next sa 42?
49.
So ika ilan ang 49? Ika? 7. Sige daw, ulit. From the top, 7,
7, 14, 28.
1.
7, 14, 21, 28, 30, 35,
42,
42,
2, 49. Isa pa ulit. 7, 14, go.
7, 14, 28,
1.
21. 7, 14, 21, 28, 34.
5, 35.
7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42,
Very good.
48.
49. Ulit, isa pa.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 48.
49. Huwag kalimutan, 49. Ulit, isa pa.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56.
49, 56. Tama, kuya. So, ika ilan ang 56? Ika? 8.
8.
Okay, ha? After sa 56, what's next sa 56?
57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63,
63.
63.
So, ibig sabihin, 42, 49, 56, 63. After sa 63,
70.
70. Okay, sige, teacher will write it na lang para hindi ko makalimutan. Ay, dito na lang, Okay. So, what is it? Sige, ikaw doon sulat, Make sure na hindi mabilis, ha? Tama lang, ha? Yung maganda, I want the... Ay, yan, ganyan, 7. Huwag dyan, sa ilalim ko yan, malito ka yan. Sige, erase. 7. Di ba, memorize mo naman yun, 7. Ilalim, yan. 14. 28. 35. 42. 49. Sa 48. Erase lang. Okay, para clear. Hindi ka malito. So, yeah, 49. After 49, we have 56. After 56, 63. 63 pa. 63. 70. Sige, I will give you 45 seconds to memorize that one.
70, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 3, 18, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70.
Without copy. Go.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 48.
9.
7, 14, 21, 28, 27.
35.
I keep forgetting it.
Sige, go lang.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 50,
6.
56, 63, 70.
Isa pa.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 45, 42, 48.
9. 49. 42, 49, 42, 49. Isa pa.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70.
Okay, sige, let's try this one. Di ba you already know the assigned fingers, right? This one, 7, 14, you already know that this is 7 times 1. 14, kuya, this is 7 times 2. 21, 7 times 3. 28, 7 times 4. So, teacher will ask you 7 times 5. Automatically, you will give me the skip counting of it. So, 7 times 5, how much is it, kuya? 7, 14, 21, 28. Ang answer mo sa akin, 35. Sige, try natin. How about 7 times 9?
69, 63,
Very good. 7 times 7?
48.
49?
49.
7 times 10?
70.
7 times 8?
56.
Correct. 7 times 5?
35.
7 times 6?
42.
7 times 7?
48.
49? 7 times 4?
24.
8?
28.
7 times 2?
14.
7 times 6?
42.
7 times 3?
21.
7 times 7?
4. 59.
Very good. 7 times 4.
7 times 4, 28.
Very good. So, before we will proceed with our 8, kuya, review muna tayo ha, from the top ha, baka makalimutan mo yung iba. Skip counting by 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16.
Mali. 12, 12, 14.
2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Correct. 3,
3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 12, 12,
15,
15, 9,
18,
21, 24,
27, 30. Isa pa daw. Ulitin mo daw ang 3.
3, 6, 9, 12,
15. Dapat you are counting. I know na nagka-count ka. Dapat lang counting. Just, di ba, you do this one, 3, 6, 9. Kasi, how did teacher know kuya na nagka-count ka? Because you pause for a longer time dito sa 15.
3,
Ganon.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15,
18. Count na naman. 18.
thinking lang.
Sige ulit.
18, 21, 24, 20, 28,
7.
27, 30,
Isa pa.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16,
18.
18. I thought 18 was wrong. I thought it was 17.
18.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 25,
4.
24, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 20,
18.
18, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 24, 28.
7.
Ay, oh, that's right, 7 pala. 27,
Isa pa.
30, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 20, 18, 21, 23,
4.
3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 20, 18, 21, 26.
4.
Huh?
24, 27, 30.
It's not 6 naman. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24,
1.
21, 24,
27, 30. Isa pa.
27, 30.
Isa pa.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 20, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
Okay, 3 times 9. 3 times 9.
27,
3 times 7.
21,
3 times 10.
3 times 10, 30,
3 times 8.
24,
3 times 5.
3 times 5, 15,
3 times 3.
3 times 3 equals 12.
3 times 3.
Yeah, 3, 6, 9. Ay,
9. 9. 3 times 3.
3 times 3, 9.
9 ha. Next. 3 times 6.
3 times 6 equals 3 times 3, 6.
3 times 6 ilan?
Ay, siya pala. 18,
Okay. 3 times 4.
18.
3 times 4.
3 times 4, 12,
3 times 1. No, 3 times 2.
6,
Very good. That's a 3 ha. Okay, 4. Isa pa review sa 4. Go.
4, 8, 12,
16.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, 28, 32,
Mali. Ito, 24. Ito, 28. Okay nga, this one,
32,
32. This one, 36.
36, this one is
40.
40.
Isa pa daw.
4, 8, 12,
16.
20,
20.
24, 28, 32,
Hmm.
36,
6.
36, 40.
Isa pa. Dapat yung memorize talaga kaya go.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40.
4 times 7.
4 times 7, 28,
4 times 9.
36,
4 times 5.
4 times 5, 16,
Ha? 4 times 5.
16,
4 times 5.
16,
Hindi, gani. 4 times 5.
17,
You count it, di ba? You memorize it.
4, 8, 12, 15, 16,
Ulit, 4 times 5.
4, 8, 12,
16, 20.
Ay.
So 4 times 5, 20.
20,
Oh, 4 times 10.
40,
4 times 8.
52,
52.
ay, 56,
56. 32.
Ay.
32. Okay, next. Memorize tawagin mo, kinag-rumble ng mind mo. 4.
3, 6, 9,
Wait, 4.
4, 8, 12, 15,
16.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 39,
6.
36, 40,
Isa pa.
4, 8, 9, 12,
4, 8, 12. Kulang 9.
4, 8, 12,
16.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 36,
2.
32, 4, 8, 9,
Kulang 9.
4, 8, 12, 16,
Hmm.
20, 24, 28, 32, 39,
6. 36, 40. Isa pa.
4, 8, 9,
Kulang 9.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 6, 36, 36,
Hmm.
40,
Okay. Sige. 4 times 2.
8.
4 times 8.
32,
4 times 4.
16,
4 times 6.
24,
4 times 10.
48,
4 times 1.
4,
4 times 9.
Uh,
4 times 9.
36,
4 times 3.
4 times 3,
4 times 7.
28,
4 times 5.
20,
Very good. 5. Start 5.
5 times 15, 5 times 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 8, 50,
5 times 2.
10,
5 times 8.
60,
Huh?
60,
5 times 8.
45,
5 times 8.
5 times 8, 45, ay, 40,
40. 5 times 4.
5 times 4, 24,
5 times
ay,
4.
25,
5 times 4.
25,
5 times 4.
ay, 20,
20. 5 times 6.
5 times 6 equals 35,
5 times 6.
25,
5 times 6.
30,
30. 5 times 10.
50,
5 times 1. 5 times 9.
54, 45,
5 times 3.
15,
5 times 7.
30, 45, 40, 40,
5 times 7.
40,
5 times 7.
40.
5 times 7.
7, 35.
You are looking at teacher. 5 times 5.
5 times 5 equals 25.
Good. Pag once kaya na teacher is repeating the question, ibig sabihin that is error. Sige, sa 6.
Sa 6, 30.
Sa 6 na. Table multiplication of 6. 6.
6, 12, 15.
18.
6, 12, 18, 22.
4.
6, 8, 12, 24.
Walang 8.
6, 8, 12.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. I will give you 45 seconds to memorize that one, because you memorized this one na yesterday. Master.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 49, 50, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 30, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 55, 44, 60.
Start using your hand. Start.
6, 12, 18, 24,
30,
30, 36, 42,
48,
54, 60.
54, 60. Isa pa.
6, 12, 18, 21,
4.
4. 6, 8, 12,
Walang 8.
6,
Walang 8.
6, 12, 18, 24, 32,
30,
30, 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 35,
6,
6, 8, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 57,
48,
48, 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 24, 60,
30,
6, 12, 6, 12, 18, 24, 25, 30, 36, 42, 48, 52,
4.
54, 6, 8, 12,
Walang 8.
6, 12, 18, 24, 60,
30.
6, 8, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60,
Okay, sige, stop na yan. Sige. 6 times 2.
12,
6 times 8.
6 times 8, 48,
6 times 6.
36,
6 times 4.
24,
6 times 1.
6,
6 times 9.
63,
6 times 7.
20, 42,
6 times 9.
6 times 9, 54,
6 times 3.
6 times 3, 18,
6 times 5.
30.
Very good. 7. Di ba, you memorize 7? Kalimutan mo
No,
naman.
no, you didn't do 7.
Oy, the first thing that we memorize 7, oh, di ba ikaw nagsulat? You can do it with a copy. Memorize mo na 30 seconds.
7, 14, 31, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 60,
56.
66, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70.
Without copy. Using your fingers. Ako na kuya. Okay, go.
7, 14, 22.
1.
7, 14, 21, 28, 30, that's not 32, so it's 36.
35.
Oh.
7, 14, go ulit.
7, 14, 20, 7, 14, 20,
1.
7, 14, 21, 28, 30, diba 28? 35, 42, 48,
9.
49, 7, 12,
14.
7, 14,
21.
7, 14, 21, 29,
8.
28, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 35, 40, diba?
42.
42, yeah, 40, diba? 49, 42, 48,
9.
42, 49, 50, 15, 49, 56, 63,
Isa pa.
7, 14, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 48, 49, 9, 56, 63, 70.
Isa pa. Sige, isa pa.
7, 14, 8, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 50, 49, 56, 63, 70.
Very good. 7 times 2.
14,
7 times 8.
56,
7 times 4.
28,
7 times 6.
40, 42,
7 times 1.
7,
7 times 9.
70,
7 times 9.
63,
7 times 7.
7 times 7, 48, 49,
7 times 5.
45, 60, 35,
7 times 3.
21,
Very good. Now, sa 9 daw. 9 kuya.
63,
9. 9 na ba?
ay, 9,
9.
9, 18, 9, 18, 20, oh yeah, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 62,
Three.
63, 72, 81, 90,
Okay. 9 times 2.
18,
9 times 9.
81.
9 times 3.
Wait, 32. 30. 37.
27.
27.
9 times 10.
90.
9 times 1.
9.
9 times 7.
7. Forgot na.
You can do it. Di memorize ba?
Ay, 54.
9 times 7? No.
Ay, 63.
63. 9 times 4.
9 times 4. 50.
9 times 4.
Ay, 50. 40. 46? Ay, 45.
36. 9 times 4.
Ay, I said 46.
46.
Ay.
You said 46. 9 times 8.
9 times 8. 9, 8. 72.
Very good. 9 times 5.
9 times 5. 45.
9 times 6.
54.
Very good. Sa 10 naman tayo. 10 times 2. Pastor na answer.
20.
10 times 9.
90.
10 times 1.
10.
10 times 10.
100.
Ay, I thought you were going to say 20. 9 times 3.
30.
9 times 8.
Huh?
9 times 8.
80.
10 times 7.
10 times 7, 7.
10 times 6.
60.
10 times 5.
50.
Okay. Pinakalas na. Tapos after this one, we will do the spelling.
Oh.
Okay. We will do 8 ha. So for the 8 kuya, this is how you do it. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Start.
I thought it was 86.
80. Okay. Sige, go. 45 seconds starts now.
80, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 8, 16, 24, 32, 48, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 78, wait,
72.
I will have about 10 songs. Then, so in the one there will be this one, so 1, 2, 3, 4, but there will be another 4, so that's it.
Sige, with that. Copy. Start.
So I have to remember that one, but
Go.
also the other one.
Hmm.
8, diba?
Just your fingers. Wala mo kalimutan.
8, 16,
24,
8, 16, 24, 30,
Two.
32,
40,
40, 48,
50,
50,
6, 56,
56, 63,
Four.
64, 8,
72,
72,
80.
80,
Isa pa. Start.
8, 4, 8, 4, 8,
16.
8, 16, 24. Ay, no guidance from you na lang.
Sige daw.
If like, if I will get wrong, you will not correct me, ha?
Sige daw,
Whatever,
be. Sige daw.
8, 16, 24, 24, 32,
Hmm.
32, 40, 48, 50, 50, I'm wrong here, diba?
Tama yun.
So 48, 50, 54,
6,
56,
56,
56, 63,
4.
64, 72,
Isa pa.
80, 8, 16, 26, 24, 24, 32, 40, 48, 48, 50, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80,
Very good. Sige, 8 times 2.
8 times 2, 14,
Ha?
16,
8 times 9.
72,
8 times 1.
Eight.
8 times 10.
80,
8 times 3.
8 times 3, 8 times 3 equals 32. Ay, 24.
8 times 8.
24. Ay, 8 times 8.
8 times 8.
56. Ay, 54.
64.
Ay, this is the 50.
64. Next.
64.
8 times 4.
36.
2.
Ay, I thought it was 6.
8 times 7.
Here, so 56.
8 times 5.
48.
8 times 5.
48.
8 times 5.
48.
8 times 6.
48.
Very good. So far kuya, lahat na natapos na natin from 1 to 10. Tomorrow, practice ka pa ha. Okay ha? Bali, lahat na, finish mo na, multiplication of table.
Tapos
Ayun na pa. Okay, for today kuya, pinakalas natin na gagawin is we will do the spelling. This one, what is my instruction guys in terms of writing? I want you to write very slow. It's not very, very, very slow, pero you do it slowly, but surely na super, super clear and maganda. Okay ha? Hindi yung, for example, mountain. You do like that one. Sige, ready na. So this one, mabilisan lang. Okay, spell the word, lagyan mo ng mga number 1, as in number 1. Spell the word high. Ibig sabihin yung mataas. Hindi yung high na ganito. It's not high na mataas. Next, spell the word every. Spell the word near. Next, spell the word held. He held me in his arms. Why the last letter lagi big? It should be small, D. Next, spell the word cross. Sige, held mo na. Spell the word cross. Next, spell the word night. Spell the word walk. What is this? Oh, I can't read that one. The first letter. Yawn. Spell the word sleep.
that's what my dream is.
Wait, why the last letter? It's big.
So, no.
Dapat it should be naka-downward. Straight sa E. Mag-erase.
Huh?
You do it properly. It should be. Yeah, this one. Oh, di ba that one? Oh,
I,
number 9. Own. I own this place. Own. Next. School.
nightmares.
School. Number 11. Sometimes I get lazy.
That's me.
Oh, wait lang. Sometimes SOMT. Ako lang E. Very good. Sometimes. Number 12. Grow. I am growing. What letter is that one? Oh. Ah, do it properly. Yan. This one. Yan. Number 13. Father.
Butter.
What is this? This is N?
Yeah.
H. This one, oh, it should be longer. Yan. Next number. Ano na number? 14. 14, carry. Please carry these bags for me.
Hey.
Ano na carry? Carrying? Carry.
Ay.
Erase it. Carry. C-A-R-Y?
C-A.
Double R.
Ay.
Carry. Double R ha.
Don't mind, Mr. Papa.
C-A. What letter is that one?
Why?
Why it's so very small?
Because it's Y, man.
Sige, we write it. Carry. Sige, sulat. See? Yan.
I always do like this man.
Oh, next. Once in a while, I have my, very good. Next, spell the word which. Which of the following is, it's not which na multo. Which ba? Choices. Which of these? Ala ka. Okay. Spelling of which, W, H-I-C-H. Which ba? Okay. Sige ha. Next, number 17. Solve. Please solve this puzzle for me. Solve. Very good. Next, stand. Stand up. Stand. Yan. That's how you write. Very maganda. Okay, next.
But when I write fast, I have to
Don't write fast. Okay. Okay, next. Spell the word upon. Once upon a time.
Ay, sorry.
Upon. Once upon a time, there is a boy and a girl. Oh, mali spelling. Spelling ng upon. U-P-O-N.
Upon?
Ha?
Upon?
It's not upon. Upon. Next. Spell the word though. Though, I am happy.
No.
It's not. Kulang. It's not T-H-O. It's the shortcut of though. Thought. This one. The spelling of though. T-H-O-U-G-H. Though.
So, change the T
Oh,
to
i-change mo siya ng UGH. Though, UGH. Okay ha, though. Bantay ha. Next. Spell the word difference. There are difference. 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 What letter is this? Why it's so big lagi? That one. This one. F.
It's a small F, man.
It's a small F.
Yeah.
If it is a small F, you curve it. You do this one.
I.
Pero if you do this one, you can do this one also. Para maging small. Next, number 22. Spell the word least. That's the least I can do. Least. Very good. Next, 23. Spell the word because. Because of you, I was scolded. Oh, why is there letter A there?
B.
Hindi siya biakos.
Ay.
B-E lang. B-E-C-A. Yan. Oh, this one, oh. Kuya, you should be consistent with your writing. If this is O, tapos O, the E-O is under the line. Dapat it should be top of the line. Tapos O, the U-O, it looks like C. Oh, emphasize it clearly. Yan. Next. Spell the word almost. Almost, we get caught. Almost. Why the tip of the M kay almost same height with the L? Hi. Why did you make it bigger? You did this one, oh. Lahat. Di ba? All. That one. Next.
Because in grade 4 ba, grade 5,
Mm.
we have a class and then Sir Joel always have a time limit, like 1 minute lang and you have to
Oh,
write the entire paragraph.
Teacher Joel is different from Teacher Charles. I don't have a time limit. Ha? Okay. So,
Then,
next.
naman.
Crawl. Crawling.
Ay.
Crawl.
Cool.
Ay, sayang. It's almost tama na sana. This one, oh.
I-L-W.
A. A, ha?
Kaya that's an A, no?
Oh, yan. Yan, you change it. Next. 100. Wait, what is this? Oh, it's 2B.
2B, ang 2B.
26. Dapat you do it properly.
Yeah, 26.
That's how you write. 26. Yan. Oh. Yan. 100. Sige, spell 100. You change it because you wrote a big N.